Simple wiring instructions for REVO-S, 3-phase, 60 to 90 amps, with DC linear input, and heater brake alarm. Important warnings for safety. This video must be used in conjunction with the supplied operating manual with specific reference to the safety notes and warnings detailed in the opening pages. Wiring must be carried out by qualified personnel only. This video is offered for guidance only and must not be used in place of the unit's operating manual. If in any doubt, please contact us prior to installation of the unit. Critical warning: before connecting or disconnecting the unit, check that power and control cables are isolated from all voltage sources. Connect your 0 volts auxiliary power supply to terminal 1. Connect your 24 volts auxiliary power supply to terminal 2. Connect your relay, common contact, to terminal 5. Connect your relay, normally open contact, to terminal 6. Connect your 0 volts or 4 milliamps input control signal to terminal 7. Connect your 10 volts or 20 milliamps input control signal to terminal 8. Connect your 0 volts fan supply to terminal 11. Connect your positive fan supply to terminal 12. This voltage can be 24 volts, 115 volts or 240 volts depending on the order code. Wire your incoming 3-phase supply to L1, L2 and L3. Wire your 3-phase load connection to T1, T2 and T3. Connect your earth cable to the unit's earth terminal. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to speak with one of our friendly support team, call us on 01 323 811 100 or email support@cdautomation.co.uk. CD Automation. Expect better.